What came first, the chicken or the egg? As for my Christmas cocktail lineup goes, the Eggnog White Russian definitely comes before the regular White Russian because eggnog. It's December and at my house, that means it's time for holiday cocktails, and I'm doing 25 straight days of cocktails to get you ready for any upcoming party or just to have an extra cocktail tool to get you through the season. And if you enjoy these short cocktail videos and you want to be notified each day I drop one, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified. And for day 9, I'm making an Eggnog White Russian. So let's head to the bar and make this. For this drink, I need a coffee liqueur, and for this cocktail, I'm gonna be using this bottle of Cafe Granito coffee liqueur. The next ingredient for a White Russian, of course, is gonna be vodka. And last ingredient is, of course, eggnog, because I can't make an Eggnog White Russian without eggnog. By the end of this video, you're gonna be sick of hearing me say the word eggnog. Eggnog. Starting with a rocks glass, I'm gonna add ice to it. Now I'm gonna pour 2 ounces of coffee liqueur. Next, I'm gonna add 2 ounces of vodka. And lastly, I'm pouring in 2 ounces of eggnog. And there you have it, the Eggnog White Russian. Cheers. This drink is undeniably boozy. I personally have no idea how I would even drink more than 2 of these at a party. The vodka, the coffee liqueur, the eggnog. Ironically, the last thing I taste in this drink is the eggnog. That vodka and that coffee liqueur really come through, and this drink would probably taste better overall if you just mix all the ingredients together. So let me go ahead and do that real fast. Okay, let me try this again. Okay, so this drink, even though it says to be served layered the way it does, this drink is ultimately better if you mix everything together. Sure, it doesn't present the same, but this is a infinitely better drink to me. The first thing I taste is that coffee liqueur, and that eggnog really balances out as a cream base. I know there's liquor in there, and you can thank the vodka for that. Either way, this is wildly boozy, and good luck drinking multiple ones of these at a party. Either way, in the comments, let me know if you tried this drink. Have you had this drink? Do you like it? Additionally, if you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified. I put out new videos and shorts each week, and the support means a lot. And until next time, cheers.